What's up, guys? I want to talk to you a little bit about writing online and how you could make an extra passive income. I want to talk to you about how we did it through Founder Bounty and how we also exited other businesses purely from blogs and writing online. These are some of the stuff I would do and recommend before you start a blog. Write about something you're passionate about, something you like, something that will get you out of bed in the morning. All of these things will help you write better and more original content. And that's something that Google wants. This is an extra way to earn passive income. And there are many ways once your blog becomes successful that you can earn extra income. These are through brand sponsorship deals. These are through earning through clicks. These are through affiliate marketing plans that you could do with brand deals. You could even create a paywall model in addition to your content that will make people pay to sign up to read the rest of the article. And it's a great way to earn extra money. Remember, Google wants original content from someone that knows what they're talking about. This will help you to rank number one. The general rules for making good quality content that's going to work is, of course, content that is unique and that Google's algorithms will find unique. Don't sell to your audience. That's the last thing you should be doing. Try to tell them a story. And at the end, you can sell your product, whatever it may be. You can use platforms like Ghost, like Medium, like Substacks, which will all help you to get started to write a blog. Remember, becoming a good copywriter is not easy, and it will take you a lot of tests, a lot of tries to see what's working and what's not. But these are some great ways to earn a passive income for anyone that's looking for something extra. And who knows, you may end up doing very well out of this as your blog increases in traffic and a lot of affiliate marketing takes place where a lot of brands want to come and work with you, and you will get paid on every single click that someone does. Thanks a lot. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos.